Hi, just posting again for memories our trip to Alouette Lake in British Columbia last May 19. Kasama ko yung family ko at mga friends nila na si Carla at saka si Jeo. And eto nga, nakarating na kami sa lake. Just like in the Philippines, marami din tayong magagandang tanawin. But this one is really beautiful also compared to our place. Marami din tayong mas maganda, of course. Pero ang hindi ko matake dito, sobrang lamig. So, ni daliri ng paa ko, hindi ko natapak dyan kasi malamig talaga. And just like any other Canadian family, you will have to bring your food, bring everything for picnic, pitch your tent and all. Diyos ko day. First time namin magpipitch ng tent ni Menen at saka ni Mia kasi nauna kami sa Kinapat. At ayun, nung una umulan pa nga eh. Yung mat namin na supposed to be na apakan namin at magiging higaan, ginawa naming kumot kasi umulan ng malakas. At ayun nga, sabi ko kung walang gagawa nito, hindi tayo hindi tayo move forward. So we try to assemble the tent in whatever way possible. At na-assemble namin. Nung dumating na yung mga kasama namin, eto, nag-kite flying, nagdala si Cheo ng kite for my apos. Food was simple lang, barbecue, and it was indeed a nice experience.